Afternoon, guys. As you can see, the weather is absolutely shocking. Fourth day in the road, it's getting worse and worse. Stayed in this car park last night. It's where we normally come mountain biking, owned by Welsh water. You're not supposed to stay in it, to be fair, but we were a bit desperate at the time we got here. And to be fair, there's been literally nobody about all day. There is one other van over there. It's £5 a day. We have paid the £5, so at least we're sticking some money in here. It's one of those ones, no overnight parking, kind of get that. But at the end of the day, like any car park, they're dead at night, empty. What a waste. You could be making money here. We were desperate because we was desperate for internet connection. We come up here about 4 o'clock last night. Nobody was about, so we said, sod it. What's the worst could happen? They could move us on. But as I say, no one's here. And by and large, from our previous trips in Wales, nobody gives a damn. Anyway, back in. We're YouTubing it up for most of the day. There's Mrs. North trying to find our next title for our up and coming video. And that's her enthusiasm.
No, it's a concentration.
She's
You're taking what I'm
concentrating.
doing.
Got both laptops out. We've been doing a bit of work.
Yeah.
And my next chore
Washing up and putting the rubbish in the bin.
is washing up and putting the rubbish in the bin, apparently. So, another day in paradise, or wet windy Wales, as they called it. The wind has abated a little bit. The rain has abated a little bit. We're certainly not rocking as much, so hopefully we can get off a mountain and go and get some milk. Literally confined to a motorhome yesterday. This is how Loopy Lease keeps herself looking young and beautiful in the morning. Whilst I'm confined to the bedroom. Obviously a motorhome, you haven't got much space. So one of us has to lounge about and do nothing all morning while one of us exercises. It's a tough job, but I'm prepared to do it. Actually, my job is editing, or at least downloading video clips. But I'm not going to lie, haven't done too much this morning, because watching Loopy Lease exercise is very tiring. Anyway, no idea what we're going to do today. I think the biking's out of window for sure. Don't really fancy it in this wind. Not so much the riding, but it's getting the bikes out and then having to clean them all up before we put them back in the garage. So once Loopy Lease takes her exercise outside, I'm allowed out of bed to make the breakfast. We always start the day good nice bullet, one of the best things on the market, full of fruit. It's just because we haven't got enough fruit in there. Add some more fruit. And there you go. Power for the day. And here she is. All weather. Give us a smile, Luce. She concentrates too much. And just look at that weather. Which, believe it or not, is a vast improvement on yesterday. The weather's clearing up and the fair weather outdoor people are coming out to play. And that means Loopy Lee does no longer have to pretend to work.
I'm working very hard, dear.
You are, aren't you?
Yeah, so I can finish in a minute.
Oh, okay. Does anyone else have their laptop at such a mad angle? Weirdly.
Well, funny enough, the sun kind of come out for a minute and was shining in my screen, so I pushed it back to get a better view of it, as opposed to closing the curtains, because we don't want to do that when the sun's shining.
We're pretending the curtains aren't closed.
Good morning, peeps. As you know, the weather has changed again. It's brightened up, which is lovely. 2 or 3 days of wet, horrible weather. Can't complain though, because it has been so nice. Anyway, we're parked up for the last couple of nights at Nant, which is a centre just outside of Aberystwyth. I'll say that again. It's a centre just outside of Aberystwyth. Lovely, peaceful site, no one around until today when the weather's brightened up. But what they do here is they actually feed the red kites. And if I can, I'm gonna show you. There is absolutely loads of them. It's feeding time. Now, there used to be a cafe here, but they closed it down, much to everybody's disgust that come here regularly, because they've got biking trails here, they've got walking trails, running trails. It's a lovely little place and it's so peaceful as well. But yeah, to close down the cafe, I mean, they said that it wasn't making the money, but it's a bit weird because there are literally loads of people about today, so we would assume that they'd make the money from them, but ayo, they know better. So anyway, we're hopefully going to go on a bike ride because we need a bit of exercise as we've been stuck in the van for the last few days. And then from there, not sure where we're going yet, but we will let you know. Got a little lake you can walk around down there, which incidentally is where all the red kites are feeding. And then you've got a little play park here. So just there you've got all of your trails, mountain biking trails. Got quite a wide selection. And you've got an upper and a lower car park. And we're parked just over there. Sticking out a bit, but cars can still get past, so it's not a problem at all. Let's go and see if old Pensioner Pete is up and ready and getting himself sorted so we can get the bikes out and get this ride done in case it decides to pee it down again. Oh, there's old Pensioner Pete.
There I am. Hey.
We thought you'd still be indoors with your feet up looking at your phone.
No, I'm trying to...
You're trying to catch the red kites. And just here you've also got an amazing viewpoint. Hope it's not blown out by the sun. Look at that. And this is the only annoying thing with this van. To get the bikes out, you've got to pull everything out of the boot. Can be a tad annoying, but it's either that or we don't go riding.
So decent little shred done. Now for the part we don't enjoy, washing the bikes. To be fair, it's the first time we've had to wash them this year, but or in a while. It is what it is. I hope Lisa's got a clean bum. Because she's taken the trousers off.
Face,
not a clean face.
No. I had a good shred.
Good shred.
Hang on a minute. If you want to witness the thrilling saga of a middle-aged couple trying to survive full-time van life without strangling each other, please feel free to subscribe.
Thanks for watching.